Okay, so we got some mirrors today from OEM Auto Art. Everyone's saying that you cannot get F-150 mirrors off without breaking the clips, especially if you don't disassemble. So here's the old mirror. All the clips are intact. This video kind of sucks, but we will make it work because it's on a cell phone. Hang on one sec. Okay, so we have a clip right here that needs to come down, a clip right there that needs to come down, one in the far corner. And then what I did is I pulled the mirror off, I reached up underneath, popped it off with my fingers, and then if you look way down in there, you guys probably can't see it, there's a little tiny clip down in behind there that I actually got into with a screwdriver. Popped that, worked it, and got the whole cover off without breaking it. These are from OEM Automart. Perfect match with the truck. Just got the door handles done. Everything's good. Thanks.